Dhanyavad. Ma'am, the BJP's manifesto comes out, as you've called it, the Sankalp Patra. You were a part of it. Rajnath Singh was chairing this committee.
Yes.
Ma'am, there are few points which are coming out of it. Right from One Nation, One Poll, people say BJP has already said that it is coming. UCC, it's okay. But the bigger parts are free electricity for the poor and how many people will be getting free electricity. The Ayushman scheme, the Lakpati Didis, the numbers is 3 crores. 10 crore farmers to benefit from PM Kisan Samman Nidhi. 3 crore more houses for the poor. These are numbers which are mentioned in your Sankalp Patra. The opposition is saying, do we have the budget to fulfill this? As the finance minister of the country, ma'am, I would want to ask you.
Thank you, Aishwarya, for having this discussion on our manifesto and also highlighting some of the Modi ki guarantee.
Ma'am.
Some numbers are mentioned also, and I would like to remind you that anything that which is in our Sankalp Patra will be fulfilled. It has always been the case. BJP's manifesto is taken very seriously. Awas echo ho rahi.
Right, ma'am. Ma'am, we are just checking it. Ma'am, I'm just getting it corrected in next 3 seconds. If you may continue, ma'am.
Sure. Yes, please. So the promises given in the manifesto are taken up seriously. Much thought goes into it. Much before we put it out, and then we speak about it. So yes, we are conscious of the numbers that we've given there, and we will fulfill them.
About 3 crore more houses, bullet train corridor in the northeast, expanding the network of industry to 4.0. The opposition says all of these are promises which were made in Modi 2.0. ये तो 2019 में ही वादे कर दिए थे. तो नया क्या है? What's new in this? That's because the minute this manifesto was released by the Honorable Prime Minister, you had a series of reactions, ma'am. लगातार reaction आने लग गए विपक्ष के नेताओं के. कई आपके बहुत अच्छे जिसे कहते हैं वेल विशर्स हैं, वो कहते हैं इसमें नया क्या दिया है निर्मला जी ने, राजनाथ जी ने, ये तो सब पुराना है.
नहीं, ये तो बिना पढ़े बिना समझे मोदी के गारंटी मैनिफेस्टो में जो लिखा है उसको बिना समझे कमेंट्स दे रहे हैं. We have very clearly said India's industry will move to 4.0 phase on the back of several steps that have been taken in the years between 2019 and 24, such as giving emphasis for artificial intelligence, setting up new centers of excellence, such as making sure the 6G capability is brought in India and it'll be completely indigenous. 5G being successfully rolled out in this country. Also looking at the Anusandhan Kosh that we have promised with 1 lakh crores,
yes,
kept as corpus so that it can be used by, let's say, special purpose vehicle which will promote a lot of innovation which have high risks. So when the government is taking these measures, industry will stand to benefit, and therefore Industry 4.0 will be realized. We will be using a lot of artificial intelligence. We will be using a lot of tools which can be generated from something similar to the ChatGPT, the generative AI, and so on. So government has invested in it. We've created centers of excellence. So it will be easy for the industry to transition into Industry 4.0. Because we have done that work, the complete transition of industry into 4.0 is now possible. So if they don't understand that these are work continuing to give that advantage to the Indian industry and very easily and lazily throw this allegation that all this is already there. Sorry, please understand the way in which this is progressing.
मैम इसमें एक चीज और मेंशन हुआ है. You also mentioned in your Sankalp Patra zero electricity bill. And it goes on to say that we will provide free electricity to the poor households under the PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana. And the opposition, led by the Aam Aadmi Party, is saying this is what we had promised. This is what we had promised, and BJP has just picked it up and saying that हमने भी तो बोला था कि free बिजली देंगे. That's a different issue. They moved from free bijli to free alcohol. But BJP is also promising. And they are saying what Prime Minister used to call freebie politics.
No.
BJP is also doing the same. Ma'am.
No, I wish you understand this.
Please
It
explain.
is not freebie. Aishwarya, I'm getting very disturbed with this echo, but I will continue.
I'm really sorry, ma'am. I'll just try and get it connected. Yeah.
This is not a freebie.
Okay.
It is not a freebie. I want to just take a minute to explain. This was even put in the vote on account budget which was presented on 1st February 2024. The vote on account budget specifically spoke on this particular scheme, which is where individuals can have rooftop solar panels established, and for which there will be assistance given through the banks and so on, and the government will also support the scheme. There, when they invest the money and have that rooftop on the top with great big subsidy given by the center and from some states which also have the subsidy.
Right, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Every
I've
word.
lost control.
No, ma'am. Everyone.
The connection is not working.
Okay. Every word, ma'am. Every word has gone on air. You were just explaining how this is not a freebie. You were just saying that how this is not a freebie.
It's ringing here. I'm not able to.
Okay. Because, yeah, we are just trying to connect and reconnect with the finance minister. She was just explaining. हम उनके पास दोबारा कनेक्ट करेंगे अगले 30 सेकंड के अंदर. 30 सेकंड के अंदर हम उनसे दोबारा कनेक्ट करेंगे. वो भी बता रही थी कैसे ये जीरो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल फ्रीबी नहीं है. कैसे विपक्ष, how the opposition is saying that it's a freebie. Ma'am, I presume that you are able to hear me? Yes, ma'am. Please carry on.
Yes, I can now hear you.
Please.
And are you
Thank
able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Loud and clear. Please.
Yeah. So, Aishwarya, it is without understanding what has been said there, to very quickly jump into the fray and say it is a freebie. Certainly, Prime Minister Modi does not believe in freebie, and this scheme is very well designed in such a way that through some subsidy, viability gap funding and bank assistance, people will be allowed and also enabled to establish rooftop solar panels. And once they do that, up to 300 units of free power can be given to them, and they will generate enough power, and the surplus power over and above their utilization, after they consume over and above what they consume, the power can be linked to the grids, and thereby they can also earn money out of it. So when you look at this free power scheme,
right,
it is a very beautifully tailored scheme wherein eventually really you will get free power, but you're also producing power to be able to sell it onto the grid. So in a way, the country's transition towards renewable energy will be with people's participation, and the people will benefit out of getting free power as much as they produce more power to sell onto the grids.
Understood, ma'am. Just दो और सवाल.
There is a difference therefore.
Right, right. सिर्फ दो और सवाल. I know you're very tight on time, ma'am. You have a very tight schedule today. But ma'am, महिलाओं के लिए, किसानों के लिए, इस घोषणा पत्र में महिलाओं को लेके भी बहुत पर्टिकुलर स्कीम्स रखी गई हैं. इनमें किसानों को लेके भी कहा गया है कि जो वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग एनुअल फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस ऑफ ₹6,000 अंडर द पीएम किसान सम्मान योजना. तो वहां जो आयुष्मान scheme for the senior citizen, we will expand the Ayushman Bharat Yojana to cover senior citizens and provide them access to free and quality health care. Ma'am, the opposition is saying this is just not possible. We are a country of 140 crores. Prime Minister Modi is being ambitious, yes, but can he really do this? As the finance minister of the country, ma'am, I'm asking you today that all these promises at large, can they be fulfilled?
Yes. First of all, I'm glad opposition is saying that there are particular specific items which is now including more and more sections of our society. We very clearly have placed the pillars, the 4 pillars, the Garib, the Annadata, the Nari and the Yuva as the 4 pillars which will include so many sections, meaning so many different castes and everybody else. So nobody is really going to be ignored or bypassed. But even as we say that, we have made sure that we are including specific sections which need that kind of extra attention. We are reassuring that the Kisan Samman Nidhi will continue. वो जारी रहेगा. किसान के लिए सम्मान निधि जो प्रधानमंत्री जी सालाना 6,000 देते हैं वो जारी रहेगा. गरीब कल्याण अन्न योजना जारी रहेगा जिससे गरीब को मुफ्त दान मिलता है, चावल मिलता है, गेहूं मिलता है, उसमें अन्न मिलता है, इसीलिए वो भी 5 साल के लिए वो कंटिन्यू होगा, जारी होगा. इसके अलावा ये बात भी हम रख रहे हैं कि सीनियर सिटीजन्स को आयुष्मान भारत का मतलब 70 years and above citizens को उसमें we are not going to be looking for only those below the poverty level, those who are in lower middle income bracket. We're not looking at that. Right. We are saying everybody at 70 and above will get covered under the Ayushman Bharat scheme, which means senior citizens every year 4 or 5 lakh of rupees will get treatment paperless and cashless. So this is something which is going to be an addition onto the existing Ayushman Bharat. Similarly, Lakhpati Didi, which has had great resonance in the villages. I've just been to Tamil Nadu in some of the rural areas. Women are so happy. You can see that glimmer in their eyes saying, never before have we had this kind of a treatment given to us. Women being chosen by the SHG groups. And they are being given all kinds of training so that they can earn their own living. A lakh of rupees is in the rural India some recognized amount for people to be assured that this government is taking care of them.
And just one last question, ma'am. I end by saying you also mentioned one nation, one poll, one nation, one election in your manifesto, in your Sankalp Patra. And going by the track record of the Modi government of which you've been a part at very senior levels, Modi 1.0, 2.0, people know. If it's there in the Ghoshna Patra, in the Sankalp Patra, it means it's going to be delivered. So should we see 2029 as a year when we will have one nation, one poll, ma'am, for the whole country? Because you've already mentioned in black and white now in your Sankalp Patra. In 29, are we going to see one election in this country, ma'am?
Aishwarya, I just want to put 2 things from manifestos of earlier era of BJP.
Please.
It was in Palampur that we had said Article 370 will be removed. You saw that happening.
Yes.
So even if it's a long drawn for whatever reason, Sri Ram Mandir, I'm sorry, Ram Mandir will be built. That's been fulfilled. So even if it is a long drawn process because of either going to the courts or the system takes its own time in some cases, we fulfill the promise given even if it was some years ago. Similarly, the one big signature of this Prime Minister Modi's government has been we lay the foundation, we also inaugurate it. So we do something, we say something in the manifesto, we bring that project in and we fully also implement it. So you can be sure that anything said in the manifesto is something which we take up in earnestness right immediately after the government gets formed, and we, in all probability, within the 5 years, fulfill it. So in that category comes this as well.
Absolutely. So that was the finance minister of the country. देश की वित्त मंत्री निर्मला सीतारमण. बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद आपका रिपब्लिक मीडिया नेटवर्क से बात करने के लिए. Thank you so much for taking out time for
Thank
speaking
you.
to the public. Thank you, ma'am. Namaskar. Thank you.